Hi dreamers. Yes, I look horrible. Yes, this is a horrible angle. Just all kinds of horrible going on. But basically, I have you on the top of a tripod, like an actual tripod, not a handheld, because you're going to go here. Give me 1 minute. Hi everybody. Basically, this is not my dinner, but I'm hungry. Like I said, not dinner. You'll probably see that in a minute. It may be the next clip. I don't know what I'm recording on here. It's just gonna be probably a bunch of little clips thrown together for today. They get better, I promise. But for now, well, I was gonna say I'm gonna fix sushi, but you don't really fix sushi. You just kind of grab it and anyway, I'll be back. I went to the commissary with my mom because my dad's retired military, and they had sushi. So figured why not? Called Plus Roll with cream cheese plus. And I don't have the sauce that I want, so I'm just gonna use, how do you pronounce that? Worcestershire sauce. But yeah, basically that's kind of it. This is probably a dumb clip because I just realized there's really nothing to this. So I don't know what I'm doing, but I don't know. I may put it in there anyway. If you're seeing this, then obviously I put it in. So I'll see you in the next clip. Bye. Bye everybody. Yes, I probably got a haircut again. Oop, let's not get run over. Anyway, you can see behind me, looks like a college, because it is. Yes, I'm actually going back to college. It's about to jump off. You know, I had to come up here, get some admission stuff done. So, that's that. It's very bright. I didn't bring my sunglasses out of the car with me. But yeah, I just wanted to update y'all. Kind of announce it, because hey, I'm proud and happy about it. So yeah, that's that, and now I gotta drive home, which is about 30, 40 minutes, somewhere around there, depending on traffic. So yeah, that's just that. I don't know if y'all care or not, but hey, I'm gonna keep you updated anyway. So that's it. I'll see you in the next clip. Bye. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. I look like crap right now, but luckily I don't need to be on the video today. Anyway, I'm hungry, and I'm gonna be making, I guess, my version of tuna salad. Alright, that should be everything we need, I do believe. Now you get to hear the water running for a minute. It's important to always wash your hands before you handle food. A lot of my avocado on this side actually went with the core, which was not planned, but that's okay. If I have to, I'll put another avocado in here. Yes, I know there are more graceful and more professional looking ways of doing this, but quite frankly, I'm just not worried about looking all that professional. Not when it comes to this. which, by the way, for any single dudes or women, but yeah, basically this way, for any single people who can't really cook very well, this is actually a very good option because it's real super easy and pretty quick, but it's actual real food and not like fast food crap. I have other preferences as far as the dressing goes, but ranch is the only one in the house, so we'll just have to deal with it. Ooh, that's a little more than I planned. Like I said, wouldn't be my first choice for dressing, but it'll do. People may think this part's a little weird, but personally, I like it. This is a garlic powder. Like I said, I know some of you probably think this is weird, but it's a personal choice. What can I say? Alright, that's it. That's all it takes. I promise you, it tastes better than it looks. But yep, that's it. Hopefully somewhat short video. It doesn't take long, so anyway, thank you for watching. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and do that now. It's completely free. It costs you nothing, but it helps me out a lot. So yeah, subscribe, like, comment, all that crap. Oh, he seems content. Well, bye. You're not hiding very well, I can see you. I see you. Jeez. What are you looking at? Oh, look, there's a convention of lizards apparently. Alrighty then.